What will I be talking about? I will be talking about the positives and negatives of trade and globalization, such as goods and services relating to jobs. What is globalization? Globalization is the way something is spread internationally or becomes the norm of the world. Labor and global trade. Low-skilled workers can get exploited in their countries such as India, Bangladesh, China, and more due to the lack of labor checks, which can cause them to have low wages, and they are not able to move out of the country to get a more sustainable job because they aren't skilled enough to be accepted in another country, which would put them in a better situation in which they could actually live a mediocre life. However, more skilled workers are able to venture out to earn more money, which is a nice plus to globalization. Wages of workers. The workers who do move are able to get more money. However, the unskilled workers in these countries aren't earning enough money for the extreme work they do, which only adds up on how dangerous it is. For instance, some workers could be working in very hot weather with a difficult task, only receiving enough to survive on their own, if even that. In Qatar, the minimum wage per month is 750 Qatari Riyal, which is 9,000 Riyal a year. This amount of money is not able to support a family, and a single person can't even survive with that much money. A single person without rent would need to make at least 3,000 Qatari Riyal a month. However, a worker could also move to another country to get more money from labor work, which is another positive effect from globalization. Profits of the company/business. In the US, over $51.2 billion were made from labor due to low wages of the workers, which could be thought of as a positive thing in the sense that the company is overall getting more money and is able to provide billions of dollars for their country. However, there is always a downside, and in this case, the downside is that the workers' wages have been cut down for the company to earn more money by not having to pay the workers as much, while they are still producing loads of money. Conclusion. So, from every single point we've touched on, there have been positives and negatives. With all of the information that we have, we can conclude that globalization is negative. There are more negatives than positives that occur when talking about globalization, and the negatives are more life-threatening, meaning life or death for the workers. Globalization is also the reason for many negatives in this case.